If you're selling a TikTok shop right now, content is probably the biggest thing slowing you down. Creative fatigue happens, and to keep a campaign performing, you need at least 3 to 5 new videos every single week at the minimum. And if you're an agency or if you're running ads for multiple products, that number will be even higher. In this video, I'm going to show you an AI tool called Oumomo that solves that problem. It's a tool that's built specifically for TikTok shop video creation. Instead of starting from scratch every time, it lets you take viral shoppable videos that are already performing well and use those as starting point for your own creatives. So your videos are based on proven hooks and proven conversions and not guesswork. And I want to specifically show you the batch creation feature because that is the feature that makes this super useful, not only for individual sellers, but especially for agencies creating content. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first, let me talk about what this software is, because it is not your typical AI video generator. The whole idea behind this is what they call a viral remake. Instead of writing a script from scratch and hoping it converts, you can just find a viral shoppable video that is already getting sales on TikTok Shop. You can paste the link into Oumomo, and the AI will analyze that video's selling points, hook structure, and also content flow. And then it will generate a TikTok shoppable video based on that product. The platform currently has over 127,000 users globally and has generated over 1 million videos. There are 4 main features that I will walk you through today: the viral remake, the viral template feed, the link to video and batch creation workflow, and the all-in-one TikTok publishing. So let me go through each one. All right, so the first feature that I'm going to show you is the viral remake. So we can come here to click on viral remake. So this is the core of what Oumomo does. So once you're in this section, you're able to see a feed of trending shoppable videos. And what I like about this is that these are not just random viral videos. These are shoppable videos with actual performance data attached to them. So you can see the number of units sold, the sales amount, and also the return on ad spend. So you can look at a video and immediately see exactly what it did. So for example, this one did over 10K in sales with a full ROAS. And then you can decide if that is the kind of content that you want to model your creatives around. And now on the top here, you're able to filter by region. You're able to filter by categories, the GMV range, video type, and also the published dates. So next, let's click on this video remake button, and I'll show you exactly how it works. So here's where we can set the remake parameters, and then the AI will generate a brand new content based on the original video. So what that means is that the AI will analyze the video selling points, the hook rhythm, the conversion structure, and it's going to generate a brand new shoppable video based around a new product that you upload. And all you have to do is to upload a product image here. So I'm going to show you exactly how this works. But first, let's watch this original video so that we know exactly what it is.
It looks like this, your face like this. You're probably not fat. You're probably just have high cortisol. You're constantly bloating, always in the sugar pantry, and you've got bad gut health. And yes, bad sleep too. Those are 4 different signs of high cortisol. There is so many reasons why so many doctors out here are talking about the benefits of apple cider vinegar, pre-post probiotic, and magnesium and ashwagandha. But the only problem is nobody's talking about how you can get all of that without spending thousands of dollars. And that is why I only use the latest of the ashwagandha with L-theanine, helps with high cortisol levels, relaxing and unwinding.
So what we're going to do is that we're going to upload a different product. So let's click on upload here, upload from the device. And I'm going to upload this collagen product, okay, as an example. So we are going to select open. And then for the remake prompt, I'm basically just going to paste in the product description. So here's the product description that I got for this product. Basically just describe what this product is. And then in the video setting here, for the aspect ratio, we are going to leave it at 9:16, which is a vertical format. For duration, we can actually change this to 30 seconds, which is great because most other AI video generation tool on the market today does not allow you to generate a 30 seconds video. They are usually much shorter for some reason. So the fact that we are able to generate a 30 seconds video, that is definitely a huge plus. And typically a 30-second shoppable videos on TikTok is more optimized for conversion. And for script language, let's go with English. Generation mode, we'll stick with fast, quality 720p, video count 1, and then let's click on generate. And then you're going to see it's being generated. And then we're going to see video generating here, and then we can click to view in project management. Or we can click on the project tab here on the left-hand side, and then we are able to see the progress. So here we have the video. So let's take a look.
Ordinary collagen isn't enough. Biopeptides are better. Why collagen? It's everywhere. Your skin, joints, hair, and nails. But here's the truth. As we age, production naturally declines. Skin loses firmness, joints feel the strain, and hair weakens. Sari? We didn't make just another collagen, we made a better one. Neocell biopeptides are enzymatically simplified for superior absorption. Your body actually utilizes them to support you from within. It's collagen designed for a superior you.
So this video was generated by just me uploading the image of the product and also providing the description. That's all I did, and it took the winning structure from the original video and created this video with this new product with it. So this is how easy it is for you to create AI content like this, which is pretty amazing. So let's come back out here to the viral remake. And instead of scrolling through like the feed like we did and filtering out by the different filters, you can also have the option to just paste in a TikTok video if you already know of a viral video that you want to replicate. You can just paste that TikTok link here and just click on Start Remake, and then it's going to start that process. So next, let me show you the viral templates feature. So let's come here to Dashboard and let's click on Viral Templates. So here we're looking at the viral template section. So this is where you can browse over 1,000 proven TikTok video templates that are updated continuously based on what is trending currently. You can sort by the different category, for example, beauty and personal care, women's wear, health, fashion accessories, sports and outdoor. And the templates are organized by categories, so you can just filter according to your niche. And when you click on the template, it's going to show you the introduction and also the use case scenarios. And you'll be able to upload the product images and also provide any template instructions. And then you can also see the reference video in order for you to understand the structure. So the real-time trending templates here is super useful because then you don't have to manually search for inspirations. You can see exactly what's working right now by category, so you can always stay ahead of the trend to see exactly what's performing well. All right, next let's come to click on link to video here on the left-hand side. So this is the batch creation workflow that I mentioned earlier. And I think this is the one feature that's super useful, especially for agencies. What you can do here is to paste in a product link, whether it's a TikTok shop product link or a FastMoss product link, and the AI will automatically capture the product selling points and then generate a TikTok style shop Booble videos around it. You don't have to write any prompt. You don't have to script anything. The AI will just pull the selling points from the product and then build the video structure around that. So as an example here, let me grab this product link and come back here and I'll paste it here. So immediately you'll see the product information here, and then we can just click on Start Creating. And then you see that Oumomo AI automatically extracted 3 key selling points. You can reorder, delete, or add your own. So let's say if we want to reorder this to the top, and then for the video settings, let's review this. So for the duration, let's do 30 seconds as well. Generation mode fast, quality 720p, and generation count 1. And just like that, let's just click on generate now. And then you're going to see the video being generated. And again, we can see the progress here at the project tab. And why it's being generated here is where the batch creation comes in. You can run multiple generations at once across different products or different audience angles, all from the same dashboard. So let's say if you're running an agency and you have multiple clients, you don't have to go back and forth with different tools in different places. You can basically handle everything here in one place. And with the workflow and a tool like this, you can easily create multiple new creatives every week without burning out for multiple clients. And most importantly, your creatives are not starting from scratch at all. They're based on what's already proven to work. All right, so here we have the video. So let's check this out.
I finally found a steamer that doesn't ruin my delicate tops. This Dr. Flash had an intelligent system for every fabric, from silk to linen. It heats up in 5 seconds, and I can switch between steaming and dry ironing instantly. The steam penetration is actually powerful enough for my heavy curtains and denim. I love that the handle swivels so I can get into every corner without straining my wrist. Honestly, if you're looking for a quick laundry upgrade, you should definitely check this one out.
So that was a video example. All right, so the last thing I want to show you is the TikTok publishing feature, because that is where Oumomo goes beyond just being a video generator. So after your video is generated, we can directly publish it onto TikTok. We can just click on TikTok officially publish. And then you can input your video title, video tag your product, and also put in your product title here. You can publish now or schedule a future time for publishing. You can also select your TikTok account here. And this also allows you to be able to manage multiple TikTok accounts from one place. So again, that is also super useful for agencies or brands managing different products or accounts. So this platform gives you an all-in-one ability to create content, post them, and to be able to manage different accounts, all without leaving the platform. So that's why this platform is really great, because this way you can centralize your workflow, especially if you're someone who is managing different accounts. So whether you are an individual sellers or an agency, this is definitely one underrated AI tool that's worth checking out. I will leave a direct link in the description below with my discount code. Any questions you have, let me know in the comments below, and I hope to see you in the next one.